Hello everyone, thanks a lot for the invitation. I'm Christos Verikoukis from ESI Athena, the coordinator of the FLECON 6G project. In my talk today, I will give you a brief overview of the project for the main objectives, the innovations, the architecture, our proof of concept, and finally our standardization plans. We addressed the SNSGU 2024 call in the stream B00101 that's related to the system architecture. Our EU funding is around 8 million. Our technical manager is Professor Adel from Eurecom, while Theodora and myself will serve as the project coordinators. The consortium has 19 partners from 10 EU member states. We have 8 large companies, including 3 telecom operators, 5 RTOs and academic partners, and 6 high-tech SMEs all around Europe. The main objective is to propose a novel 6G blueprint reference architecture driven by distributed, modular, open, collaborative, trustworthy frameworks and multi-layer network digital twins which span from the resource domain up to the business layer. We build around the 6G network of networks concept architecture, offering native and trustworthy AI integration for automated, scalable composition of service and capabilities offered by individual networks, subsystem and technological domains driven by different stakeholders. This slide presents the high-level vision of our architecture, where the different components, the intent management, the entity management, the native AI integration interact with the physical infrastructure, the closed loop, the business intent, the marketplace, and the vertical portal. We have 7 well-defined objectives, each one with very well-defined measurable targets. The first objective is related to the implementation of the 6G architectures, covering the public, non-public, terrestrial, non-terrestrial domains in all aspects of control, data, and management planes. The second objective, develop native and trustworthy AI algorithms for intent-driven multi-stakeholder networks. The third objective offers the smart marketplace supporting sharing and exposure of resources and network digital twin models. In the fourth objective, we develop a multi-layer network digital twin framework and integrate it with the zero-touch architectures. The fifth technical objective propose innovative data transfer paradigms considering enhanced data plane techniques with deep edge integration. The sixth technical objective, implement a collaborative and distributed framework for recursive modeling, coordination, dynamic composition and operation of multi-domain 6G networks. Finally, the seventh objective is related to the proof of concept, and where we have 4 well-defined POCs. We'll see later in this presentation. The project innovations include the accelerated programmable edge computing, AI native integration via foundation models for planning in multi-stakeholder networks, recursive collaborative composition and federation of 6G network of networks, trustworthy AI, intent-driven marketplace for vertical exposure, network digital twin frameworks, and multi-layer and multi-domain network digital twin to assist in network orchestration, closed-loop decision, automation, and conflict resolution. This is the high-level view of our initial architecture. You can see that we have the physical infrastructure. On top of this, we have the accelerated programmable data plane. Then the FLECON network of networks collaborative framework, the FLECON intelligence layer, and all this interact with third-party and software app developers through the FLECON smart marketplace. The work package structure is a typical structure where we have one work package for the architecture, another work package for the integration and validation, two technical work packages where we develop and implement all the innovations, and then we have one work package for the management and another one for dissemination and communication activities. We have four well-defined proof of concepts in four testbeds in Europe, one in Verikoukis, another one in Siemens, third one in Orange, Romania, and the fourth in our lab in ESI Athena. In the first proof of concept that is related to seamless immersive reality, we will test the smart marketplace concept and the accelerated programmable edge computing. In the second proof of concept that is related to machine inspection using autonomous robots and VR, we will integrate run network digital twin with the ZSM closed loop control concept. The third POC is about network digital twinning with LTN, and we integrate digital twin with computed twin and process twin. And finally, in the fourth proof of concept, we will check the adaptability and the robustness of our FLECON 6G architecture in public safety services and applications. Regarding standardization plan, we have plans to contribute to 3GPP and ETSI, while we have in our radars initiatives of like Camara, Team Forum, and IRTF. To be a bit more precise, for 3GPP, we are planning to contribute to the SA2 working group with AI native network operations, the trust federation mechanism we will develop in the project, and some of our interfaces. In the SA4, we're planning to contribute with the immersive environment from our project. In SA5, we will contribute with the business system translation that will replace the classical BSS model. With the SA6, we are planning to contribute the APIs that facilitate the exposure of 6G network capabilities to the application. Moreover, we are planning to contribute to the ETSI, ZSM, and TENI with the network digital twin for enhanced ZSM with the multi-domain network digital twin and the integration of native AI for end-to-end network digital twin. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, my colleagues will be happy to answer to you.